Okay, Rich, your question was involving putting in a part description into an assembly that you don't model, such as some type of glue, epoxy, it could even be grease or even air. And no, you don't have to model it. What you do is you create what is called a virtual component. So if you look at the screen right here, what I have is an assembly. And let's say that I want to add in some grease that I'm going to need into my hydraulic cylinder or any other part on here. I just go to whatever part of the assembly. I'll go ahead and just put it into the main part of the assembly, and I'm going to go into the component panel here, and I'm going to use the create tool just like I create a part within an assembly. I'll go ahead and give it the name that I need, and you're not going to need to do any constraining or anything like that. Just pick whatever the BOM structure is going to be. So in my bill of materials, I'm going to say that this grease is purchased, and this is the main part right here. You want to make sure that you call this a virtual component. So check that off right there. Now, you guys say, hey, what happened? Well, you've actually created a virtual component. And you'll see that the virtual component is right here. Has a different icon. Now, how do you want this to look in your bill of materials? Well, then at this point you can customize it in your Manage tab and go to the tool in the Manage panel that says Bill of Materials. And right here you'll see that you have different things that you can change, what the quantity is going to be, and in the event that you need to change it, perhaps you want the volume of what it's going to be, then you can go here to the column chooser and then just pull that where you want it, and then now you can put in a specific volume by going into your eye parts. I'm sorry, not eye parts, your eye properties. So if you went into here and then you went to the properties for it and you went into the physical, then you can change what the volume of that object's going to be. So there's a few other things that you can do, but go ahead and play with that, and I think you'll see that this will work very well with your bill of materials. Hope it works out for you. Thanks.